You can see the earnings that I made completely with affiliate marketing using only AI tools. I will first refresh the page to show you that the earnings are legitimate. On June 1st, I made $560 and in the last 10 days, I earned $1,092. Although it shows 30 days, I actually made in just 10 days. You can see the screenshot of May 24 and May 23 where I earned $248 in commission each day. If I show you the most recent screenshot, you will see that I made around $14 on June 7 and am gradually becoming consistent in earnings. I want to highlight that my approach to affiliate marketing is different and uses my own methods. In this video, I will give you a brief overview of how it works and how we can do the same using AI tools. Please note that this video is not a complete tutorial because it would be too long if I create the full tutorial. Now before we start, let me emphasize that many people, especially those who are new to affiliate marketing or have been trying various strategies, tend to dive into saturated markets. They often focus solely on platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareASale and CJ Affiliate, assuming these are the only marketplaces available. But there are numerous other affiliate programs with less competition. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can promote products in less competitive niches rather than entering saturated and highly competitive marketplaces. Moreover, the programs I will discuss offer high-ticket products, which means you have the opportunity to earn significant profits compared to promoting ClickBank or similar products. So let's proceed with the video and explore these lucrative options. The first step you need to take is to find a mentor. When I say mentor, I mean someone you follow on YouTube or any other social media platforms whose philosophies you deeply respect and you love to implement their strategies. Also, they have a significant number of subscribers or followers on social media and also offers books, courses or coaching programs. For example, you may choose to follow renowned figures like Russell Brunson, Tony Robbins, Gary Vee or Grant Cardone depending on your interest. These figures already have established authority. I'm not emphasizing you follow only those with millions of subscribers. In fact, it can be beneficial to follow someone with smaller but have authority, following within a specific niche or community. Let's take Ivan Mana as an example. He's an affiliate marketer who teaches others how to do affiliate marketing. With over 95,000 subscribers, he has established himself as an authority figure in the field. Ivan has made hundreds of thousands of dollars and offers his own courses and affiliate programs as well. The second step you should take is investing in mentors, resources such as their books, courses or coaching programs. I understand that many beginners face financial challenges, but it's important to realize that if you want to learn something from someone and promote their resources as an affiliate, you need to invest in them first. By doing so, you can learn from their expertise and gain a deeper understanding of what they offer. Mentors like Russell Brunson have written multiple books including .com Secrets, Traffic Secrets and Expert Secrets, and he also provides many courses and coaching programs. He often has affiliate programs that allow you to promote his products. When I started promoting One Funnel Away Challenge by Russell Brunson, first purchased the program itself and then his books .com Secrets and Traffic Secrets. This approach helped me grasp the program's value and effectively explain it to others. Therefore, I recommend investing in their books and considering enrolling in their courses to gain thorough understanding of what you need to promote. To find courses or books from mentors, you can simply search for their name on Google. Google will display relevant results including their courses or affiliate programs. You can join these programs and start promoting their materials. Once you enroll in their courses or gain affiliate access, you will receive affiliate links and promotional materials. Now the next step is promoting. I follow two strategies for promoting affiliate products. The first strategy is to appear on search engine by creating blogs and YouTube videos and participating platforms like Reddit and Quora. The second strategy is email marketing, which I have mentioned in my previous videos. Now let's start with the first strategy, which is appearing on search engine. To appear on search engines, you need to create a blog. When writing blog posts, it's important to conduct keyword research. First, go to tool like SEMrush and use Keyword Explorer to search for mentor's name. For example, let's use Russell Brunson. SEMrush will show you all the keywords related to Russell Brunson that people are searching for. Now next, analyze the intent of the keywords. Determine the intent is transactional, meaning people are looking to make a purchase. Also, check the keyword difficulty to see how easy it is to rank for that keyword. In this case of keyword, it has low difficulty, making it easier to rank on Google. You can also look for commercial intent keywords, ensuring that keywords difficulty is low or very easy so that you can rank easily. I created a blog on Merch. After a few months, started receiving some traffic. I can check the traffic using Search Console, which shows an average of 30 to 40 page views per day. However, I won't cover how to create blogs or go in detail about in this video. I will cover that separately. Most importantly, the content inside the blog is 100% generated with ChatGPT and Bing Chat. Now let's talk talk about promoting on YouTube. Suppose you want to promote your first funnel challenge by Russell Brunson. There are 4 steps that I follow to create a review video to promote a specific programs. First, I create a script. Second, I create a voiceover using the script. Third, I do screen recording. Fourth, I edit the video using Canva. Lastly, I use Clipchamp for final editing. There are 2 ways you can create script for a video. First, you can use ChatGPT or Bing Chat to write a script for a video, or you can write the script yourself. To write a better script, you can enroll in the challenge, which is completely free. By understanding the program, you can provide a more informed review. Once the scripting is done, you can use a tool called Descript to create a voiceover for the video. Once the voiceover is complete, you can create a video by recording your screen while demonstrating the specific program or tutorial. Afterward, you can use Canva to edit and finalize the video. If you want to learn more about how I create video using Descript, ChatGPT and Canva, then you can watch this video where I explain the process in detail. However, going into all the details in this video would make it too long, around 2 hours. That's why I am providing a brief overview for now. If you want to learn how I promote affiliate products and do affiliate marketing on Reddit using AI tools, especially ChatGPT, then you should watch this video. In this video, I explain in detail how actually I do affiliate marketing with Reddit. Now let's discuss the second strategy, which is email marketing. To start email marketing, the first thing you need is a lead magnet. In one of my previous videos, I explain how I collect email addresses through a unique offer. Here you can see my lead magnet page, which many people have subscribed to my email list in exchange for a free book. When people purchase products through my affiliate links, I get their email addresses and then immediately send them a personalized message using Gmail or my professional email. Since they are my customer, I can retarget them, offer them another relevant product. However, if you are just starting out and don't have any leads yet, you need to focus on building your email list. The first step is creating a lead magnet, such as a free ebook. If you want to learn how to build an email list from scratch, watch the video that's appearing on your screen. It will provide you valuable insights. And then once you have built your email list, the next step is to learn about creating email sequences using ChatGPT or Bing Chat and campaigns using System.io. To create email sequences that will convert our leads, we will use soap opera sequences. The soap opera sequence is typically a series of 5 emails that sent out over the course of 5 days to an email subscriber initially upon subscribing to your email list. It is designed to hook your readers into reading your next email, allowing you to convert at a much higher rate. Let's say you want to promote your first funnel challenge. To create the email sequence, we will use Bing Chat, and then we will instruct Bing Chat with this prompt. The prompt will be something like this. Imagine you are an affiliate marketer. You want to promote your first funnel challenge by Russell Brunson to your email subscriber. You will use a soap opera sequence to write emails and send them to your subscribers. Write a sequence of the emails in a way that it has high opening rate, click-through rate and conversion rate. Once the emails are generated, you can copy and paste them into Google Docs. From there, you can edit and refine sequence of 5 emails, starting with the first one and making it more interesting to improve open rates, click-through rates and conversions. After preparing everything, you can use platform like System.io to create a new campaign. Add the emails to the campaign, leaving a gap of 1 to 2 days between each email. Remember to use professional emails when sending them to your leads. Finally, send the emails to your subscriber. Monitor the analytics to track open rates, click-through rates and conversion rates to see if people are responding positively. If you find that people are not converting, then you may need to create a new sequence of emails and try again. So these are the exact steps I follow to make money using AI tools. If you want a complete tutorial, I will need to create 2 to 3 videos to cover everything in detail. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comment section and I will make a new video about it. The topics I will cover include creating blogs, YouTube videos and email marketing to convert people. My main goal is to help you. So if you want more details, feel free to leave a comment requesting a detailed video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.